ya gaziere unu niile. Ya bụrụ taa afụsịfụ echi. Biko, Oga Jike, I want you to come to this very live video. Ka mụ correct ya gị. Ịma na onye si na ọ da agbazi war ma ọ bụ onye wepụ aka na saga. People are ewe ebe ka ma na ọ ga-ekwu okwu. Ikwu okwana okwu asịrị you talk too much. Ama mụ onye na-eme onye na-ekwu okwu advice no dey talk too much. He emechi my shop. Waja Onyeka ezi nwa amụrụ na ikpu ukwu. My very good friend mmetụrụ onwe m Bishop ndị omenala na Ghana. Bishop ndị omenala na Ghana. Mana enyere gị Bishop aka azụ because gịnị na ọtụtụ ọma everybody. Waja biko buru onwe gị bi ebe a. Though I am not talking to you anyway. I want to address my brother bo Oga Jike. Oga Jike, asọrọ nga use na my logo we mee news. Asọrọ nga use na my platform we mee news. Asọrọ nga use na Jpac we mee comedy. Yes, we rise by lifting others. But if you want to rise, please do not put allegation on me. I beg you in the name of God. Waja! More! Ofo ya ga di ocha no mudi oka. Ai! Ogene ka mpiachara gị ire wote kai. Waja! Otu eke. Waja! Orie. Waja! Nkwo. Waja afọ. Bịachala ya ilo na ọ ga-abala gị. Bịachala ya ilo. Ebe ọ si bịa ete ka o bịachala ya ilo. Akwa ọkụkọ ọ dị na nkata. Bịachala ya ilo. Ama nke bụ oke na nwunye. Bịachala ya ilo. A na-ama ngwọlọ n'ụgbọ. Bịachala ya ilo. Ebe ọ si bịa ete ka bịachala ya ilo. Waja, you're my senior brother. I can never disrespect you. In as much as no more about social media. Quake no Waja is the only man who admitted that na Jpac kwa ukwa nyono kweli noko. Iwadara. Waja abi beke na nudi afọ ndị etum n'ụtụtụ a. Here kwa afọ abi together na me give away, but guy na give away aging family aging family me give away mana jene ka mdi salary December by Mark Zuckerberg ka mdi the salary aja mi je na account m na withdraw ego we na mere ndị mmadụ give away mechakwa give away kịta ga-ewere kwa ego m die ta ama amusu na page ndị iro m zoba God. So please, without wasting much of your time, please, if you see this message, please send this message to Oga Jike. Oga Jike, you are my very good friend. You are my brother. On our boat, it's already about war. In our bomb night phone, same Jpac, it's already about war. So go on. See, only I'm actually about war, bam saga. Because the little one, Abagorum war, the little time Abaram saga, na social media, I use this my slipper, I swear. Slippers, I swear with the God of my land that saga bring good name for me. That saga bring goodies for me. At initial stage, I was very, very angry about how people drag me. Yes, some people were saying that Jpac, you do drag people. Drag falsely. I am saying it now, and I'm repeating myself again. I have never dragged anybody falsely. This is me, because I know law of karma. And I can never drag anybody falsely. You know, I keep on saying it that now, if I am dragging you, 90% of dragging you see on social media are all arranged, are all paid. Mana, some people who joined Facebook yesterday will think that see, iwe ike fuma na chief nwoke traditional nwoke ana agba nwa ewo nwoke mana nna agba ewo and na amam na nwoke na agba nwo. These are the things AJ grew a page. These are the things AJ making AJ grew a page. I ga afu mu de eke hit ana agba nwo na no ye meje mu na agba eke hit face to face na iwe ha ogwu. Is it ihe obe igba war? Oh, when you have a saga, when you have a tarnishing of image. Oh, when you people na have a war, when you people na have a tarnishing of image. Oh, we're gonna say some comments into the Jpac before my talk or to Oga Jike. Somebody saying, Chikalan, don't worry, I'll come about that one. Business is confidential and business is secret. I believe it on social media, and I don't want you to be dragging me to it's best known to me. You understand? The most important thing is understanding. Do you understand me? So, if I need on social media, we had a on social media. It's I get that no that somebody that Abia might be a betrayal by and don't know. I and every nation, every world, everybody. Mano aya jaka ebubuto onwe obiarua roi chaka mmụọ ndị ọrụ de chaka mmụọ testify ya na ife ana arụ ọrụ etu nsu wee bịa kwuo kwe brother na ihe ndị mmadụ rụrụ kwuru ebe ị nọ na achaka mmụọ ana arụ ọrụ. Not only me that did the video, many people bought the video, and everybody now for here practical. Here practical. I am not dragging that man to tarnish his image. He is not the only native doctor in Anambra State. I was just analyzing. There is a difference between analyzing of video you saw on social media and tarnishing of image. I was only analyzing Ayayanando video. You don't have business with Onye Nsu like Jpac. Oh, so it's like Jig. I was just analyzing video of Ayanando. And do need no funa near analyze. That's what the end there. Some people best here now about the saga so that Jpac and Tanich and them would image here. Nanya 2025. My name will turn to Omekantino 2025. Omekantino stroke Azuanoka 2025. By God's grace. I can never tarnish your business. And I can never bring you down. And I can never plan to bring anybody down. Somebody said that, what about Ezobi na Asaba? Ezobi bụ onye Igbo. I only did two videos to Ezobi na Asaba. And I was telling him, you are a native doctor, fine and good. And the women are Igbo, Buna, go to your father's land, Nebe. Go and do your native doctor in your father's land. Or, Ben Naga, make it forbidden. And Nebe, on a make it forbid, your native doctor. Go there and take up your land, your possession. Can you roll your native doctor? People will patronize you. Is that the bad thing I said? People say not drag Ezobi. I did not drag Ezobi. Cause Nanyama Jake will quote a private jet of $240,000 US. I only analyzed Ezobi na Asaba. Jeff Ezobi na Asaba. Namu me analyze no go $240,000 naira dollars private jet. Nga Ghana may analyze may comedy. One we spend there so much money, may arrest. Which the arrest did not last to 24 hours and still come out. So Keben Senator is image Ezobi. Negro private jet of $240,000. MC Shady je wee mee comedy, everybody je mee comedy. Mezie nke m dị ụtọ na onye akpọrọ asị ka amụọ na-afụ ụfụ n'ọdụ. Onye ọbụla akpọrọ asị ka amụọ na-afụ ụfụ n'utu. Wee gwa gị sị gị na eziokwu na igoro private jet of Tuara. It's a glory to you. It's a kudos to you. It's an honor that the first native doctor that purchased private jet, even if not Agwara, no came maybe, but a native doctor from Anambra State Nebe. It's not drag there. I did not drag anybody. Come back to go. Heaven and earth knows that now. Akuna tu na okija dere eme dibia ịgba afa thunder gbae egbe igwe gbae gbalie enu ebuje enu na na teaching hospital na Nnewi. I was only analyzing the video. Why must you go to teaching hospital in Nnewi to treat yourself? Ebi makwa na gini na iwere ọgwụ nwe ibubo nwa awele. Kedu ihe thunder ya eji gba gị? Na before thunder before mkpọ na ana esowara ka iwe mee ọgwụ gbalie gị nwa bụ dibia enu na o nwere ihe imere. You cannot kill me with juju and ihe egbutewu with amụma. I used to tell people ọ bụ na a ga-egbutewu Jpac okwu anya ọnụ with juju. I for don't buy just like Ada Jesus. Man, ye he butewum because gene Oga Jike mana mu nwere ibubo. Oga Jike mana nwere awele. Oga Jike is my friend, is my brother. Oya brabo onye Igbo, my brother. But I was ashamed seeing Oga Jike. Oga Jike mana obra na asika aseba na asere o we seba we na asere m. O nwere ife a na-akarị akarị ọnụkọta mụ na mmadụ kpasịa nkata ọ ịgwa m ife mpụta na public na-agwa gị sị gị na onye asịrị m onye a na-asị. It will make people not to trust you again. Oga Jike mana o nwere ihe jikọrọ mụ na ya na-abụ which I can never say that thing till m anwụọ. I dey carry secret and I go carry secret enter grave. Ebe from now. Maybe from now, I can be able security madam Bailey. The day I will buy the man no channel one. You have started again. No let me cure Oria and I have what in you. Everybody want Jpac. Because of Jpac, stop talking for a few times. Internet joy. Internet I got joy now. We will make internet very hot. This is social media. If you're not conversant with social media, you delete your page and get out. We must be talking. You cannot just go on Monday morning, open your shop, Raya na Alaba International, Raya na Oduade, Raya na Aladibo, Raya na Mukobosi, Raya na Mbo, Raya na Aba, Irejazia, able to open my shop. That few time made you live video. Jpac, you talk too much. I talk too much of video of 10 minutes for the whole day. That makes Jpac talk too much. Oh, Jpac, you once said you will. Yes, I will reach out to Matthias Ezak. The only way I am not agreeing with Matthias Ezak because I'm a Christian. I'm not because of Matthias Ezak went now year of being a Christian. I'm a Christian. I will remain a Christian till more. If you see me, Benedict Doctor, we are all friends. If you see me, Benedict Doctor, we are all friends. Jesus Christ visited the one Ajadu. Jesus Christ visited the one Yoruba. Jesus Christ visited Nicodemus. Jesus Christ visited all, even Onya Akulakula, a harlot. Jesus Christ visited every unbelievers, you can imagine. Even Benedict, I practice culture and I practice Omenana. So don't use because I'm from Bay Dibia, from more native doctor, and I use a nature something to do something. I'm a Christian, but Christian and Darala, Abram Christian and Dairy, Abram Christian and Day, able from Monday, Betty Day, Betty Sunday, Ebana Yanaka. Ihe ga-abụ ka ọ ga-abụ ka ọ bụrụ eziokwu see you ife onye ga-abụ ka ọ ga-eme gịnị ka ọ ga-abụ abụrụ m Christian ndị arụrụ ala but I cannot deny being a Christian. I'm a Christian, but if you want to use the name of the Jehovah nke osonye nke ndị agha wee gwuo wayo, I will bring you out, because also again, do not take the name of the Lord in vain. Do not do what? Take the name of the Lord in vain. If you want to use the name of God in vain to catch out or to scam people, I will do what? Bring you out. And if you want to use the name of Omenana, because the name is Omenana, I will still bring you out. Oga Jike biko eji Chineke yogi. O nwere ihe jikọrọ mụ na gana abụ. And ị ga-anụ ya n'ọnụ m na public. I can never bring out our discussion na public. Wee sị na ihe m na Oga Jike kpara. And you know that, Emma, you just want to drag me for nothing. If you call me on phone, Jpac, biko, achọka m iji afa gị wee trend, no problem. I invented a good news on social media. More good news in Igbo. And you can't do it than me. In way he came to see me. This is my even when I was a child. When I was in primary school, I made debates. I made a class. I made quiz. I made debates. More I like good news. I started reading news when I was in primary 6. I started reading news when I was in JS 1, 2, 3. When I go to Congo, I got my school in Newi. Like this guy, on Imo State, this guy, name interview on Uncle Jake, name interview. On our thought, I enjoyed the guy. Man of them, I be to interview. I'm on my swallow. Jawarezoku Olilaya Demo Olilaya. I'm on my swallow. I'm on my swallow. So I cannot start mimicking this man on a amendment interview. He's doing well, and this is his time. He's trending. Mfukuanombe, my phone, when I be, or interview. Joku Bajo, Jpac told me, Onaga, social media is all about fun. If I could see that man number, where's number that man? My like on number the man. Cause Joku Bajo about Jpac told me. Jpac, is it true that Tonya Baragenka? Jpac, I bargain too. Jpac, I ran when you are ragging. Jpac, so all this I would like him to use his own voice to ask me that question. And I will be very, very glad. Here, you know, Okongram, God bless you. 2005, Okongram, grammar school. 2005, 2006, at school in Okongo, 2005. Say, Mother Mabrozo Mazi. MC Bishop, if I see his number, I would like to call him. I'm enjoying his comedy. So, Mabena can make MC Bishop. Oga Jike, he post to ebe na mande di beni wa on aga viral. He will go your own fans. Ne post your video. Ne share your video. Jpac, you talk too much. Blessed is you. Chineke buono. You talk too much. Because namuna a business. No go hide your face. You might hear a na Christmas here. Here have Christmas yo. People are so chara bara say kingdom money. People are so chara gifts. If ever ask Jpac, you talk too much. That Jpac that talk too much. How many bag of rice make kingdom money? With that talking, just nande kuoku. Do you know how much I make while talking? When I was doing marketing for the GNLD, I'm that now you have to invest in your own career. You have to invest in yourself. You have to build yourself. I'm talking too much, fine. But you got how many me here go with only talking? Is it not high time you start talking your own? It's a advert. You know if you pay me for advert, I don't remember that about 200,000. Advert. Ask Governor Eziokwu now. Just now, Governor Eziokwu batara na Aba na area. Make live video. One day, now, do you know how much? You just be talking and talking. Come here, you need to Gary. I don't make you for a good example that now Jpac is king of adverts. I'm about one blogger now. Na December. We are not near advert now. Oh, Madam Maddy, I'm going to reach agreement. If you ever betray me, I'm doing you that I'm a Christian, a joker. I still believe in culture. I'm about one blogger now. Doing you are also said, I'm a advert. Connect Yagi. If betray me, I also buy a good because I cannot stop doing good and I cannot stop helping people. They don't help today. Now war. They are regretting inside them, within themselves, and they regret within themselves. Somebody like Orodo, Orodo, O-R-O-D-O, Orodo TV. On they regret because I blocked him, unfollowed him. Oyom today, I will unblock him. I will work with him and promote him. Christmas is here. I'm a cameraman here, so no travel. Where they may editing using laptop, may editing. Teacher app. Here they may editing. And with them brand new camera. And with them Panasonic. And with them 4K Lumis. That's why I get some travel. I will pay him well just to use Igbo camera, video me, video all my doings, all the work I made. Yeah, video. I tell me the phone. I don't want to use phone because phone, quality of phone, is different from quality of camera. I need a cameraman. He has some guy everywhere. He will be a cameraman and also an editor, a very professional editor and a cameraman. I will give you all gadgets you need because I bought every gadget in China. So camera, the laptop, the internet, the age, just be doing your work. They deliver more, they send them the phone. When I get 24, I will give you room. Only me cannot live in 3-bedroom apartment. Open a CSC Abia, ABC Begabia and Lagos, open in Lagos, Abia, Enosia, Imecharamore, Charamore, open Agaro in a week, Aroro 5 a day. In Abba, Bob and need a got born, Gabia, him of a report. Anytime when you have months, one go, and other incentives, and other people. Man, I if we had a retail go Facebook, you cannot chop the money alone. Only me no go feel chop. It will okay them headache, okay them BP. So you get them BP. If we had a retail go motor. If I see somebody else on travel, just carry with them battery 4. And with them everything in the camera. Oh, if you are one price again, or Roman Aganaba, one with Surum, you know, Jimazi, Araco, before my enemy, oh, eventually he made this man, this guy, my own brand name, yeah, for this guy, Igbo Channel. That name is my name, Igbo Channel TV. That name still remains my name. Tomorrow. I gave him that name. I gave him that Igbo Channel's name. He's just a follower. He doesn't know what is called page. He doesn't know what is called P-A-G-E or my page. He just a follower. I just saw his comment one day. Benedict profile where chat say you resemble Jim Ike. Sorry, say you resemble Jim. That's all. Say you resemble Jim Ike. That's all. Well, see, why not use Jesus Christ? By the ROC. Oh my Jesus, he again. Jesus is merciful God. Jesus is merciful God. I like him better too much. Oh, better Jesus is better than them Christian. But than them Fulani, Jiataya Kaji. Jesus Yebuoge, you know, oh, merciful God. I'm like in Kepam, Arose, justice, instant was power of old. Pam, yeah, Pam was both. Mbo that for this guy. Igbo channels. Join the Igbo channel, go ahead that name. When the Igbo channel is so because Abarabo when you well. Abarabo when you well. After my father come under bridge in Lagos. Abagoma Okada in Lagos. They're going here. After go maybe my mother. If I see things they happen around me, no, they shake me. Abagoma Okada in Lagos. After go my alpha, and I go down for. I'm a gun conductor. And I go ambulance. And I go homeless in Lagos. Onye haborom na Lagos bụ onye army. Onye army bụ onye haborom na Lagos. Amara ho na barracks na agba Okada during the time of Tinubu. Mgbe Tinubu bụ governor of Lagos State. That was when I was doing Okada in Lagos. Check how many years. Most of you know on Facebook. Most of you know on Facebook today. I was a Okada rider when Tinubu was governor of Lagos State and Obasanjo was the president of the federation. During the time I banned Okada during the time of Obasanjo and Tinubu, I was doing Okada there with Ndame. Na Central Vehicle Depot Ojo Alaba. Ojo Baras. I been Nara and Konye, one of my friends, Onye Igbo, Bonyo Wole. So I know what it takes to somebody to homeless or somebody need help. That is why even in my house now, my wife not go there. Only stranded now as a baby because Konya Ibara 2 days. I'm a help money the homeless. I'm a the money the homeless. So I don't like you alone. I'm like you no. I'm like or busu. Yeah, I don't like it. Well, before I married, I paid for 3 apartments, 3-bedroom flats, furnish everything. When I want when I work AB. But at the time, Nchabande Managana Achiochi, in the comedy, important the comedians, I'm gonna have a biddy. The end debo, also to do as a Tassion, CN, CJ, everybody reading the general content. Just come on under my way we can amoramo, then where Makaratoka. I need a human being. I don't need to live alone. I don't want to live alone. All my loneliness, and you know that I must marry because the loneliness is too much. At the time, them when I have each one, not gonna have her. She boy. When I have here with his friend, Alhaji Musa. Han Chachine Gamara. I'm gonna die because the account was a problem. I'm gonna die the account. I'm gonna die the account. Hanabu. The first money she boy catch is worth 1.something million. It was one apple. Catch she is able to go. For just one on a leaky. I was very happy. All about my wedding, famous go. When he was praying me, I was laughing. Say, wow. At least I don't go more than 4 months to 5 months or 6 months. I only want to listen to that. Page with a problem. She make a man at a page and way revive her back. Catch her out. Today, she boy I can make content now. When a shop na aja, ebon a rock because Ogru medical is a medical student. I name encourage the only son. She make a man don't want to go shop. Ebon when a chemist shop on a rock, we name content. A lot of them, name them. When I come poor, Nabahuru, I'm a Bazulu again. Because I'm like him, Bokarato one. So I got you come out of me, Patra, Ogabo. It's you bomb war, bomb na phone, name number. Phone move the about number. No, Kirina like it. It's you bomb war, born in a phone, banning war, same nature bomb war. What a number get here? Why is it me? Why is you telling me here? May here? Eba, and people now, me, Jpac bouquet, Jpac bakers. Still, look, if you go by join the grill. But no one, you know, here to come on an apple. You talk too much, you don't have secrets. Madam, many secrets sitting in the management. I can never say it until I die. This is a man, he get a okay. Come on, my dear, castigate, baby. A block on the ban, delete a number. Come check Fugi, Pam na my platform. Or on number get here. Or on number get here, Oga Jike. Or on number get here. Why can't you call me? Eh? It's about war. And when they about Jpac was Jpac natural about war. MCA when I see you, sorry I did not greet you. My cash out at the main. Now catching out for 2 years and now. Very big, my very good friend. Don't worry, by next week I owe you something. By next week, I have the member campaign of homecoming of MCA1. But when he went carry, he watched I made post here on Facebook. I don't conversation with Facebook because of Mbari in Lugo, and I have to satisfy all my customers, people who give me money to advertise their products. Please and please, I will start your own. Incredible free of charge. Because I'm a wow here. Already when they get send that page back to cheer. So MCA1, don't worry, I will do that for you, okay? But let it be weekend when you will be very, very much around. Because I'm bringing here Saturday. So that you will also be around. I will also invite you to my page. We'll discuss, know how to push it up. And people will buy tickets. I promise that I will buy tickets for 10 people. I'll buy tickets for my fans, 10 people who want to attend MCA1 show. January 26, right? Yeah, 25 or 26. 5,000 for regular. I will buy 10 tickets for 10 top fan. In the Northeast. In the Chorabia show. MCA1. And for Nyocha, Jimmy. I love you. So, Chokomilo. Ezbo Chokomilo ko on the fake page. Chokomilo who wish Arsenal fans page. Brother, go abo Ezbo Chokomilo ka akuchira account gi mepe account ozo. E mo ha randi ro ahụ akuchi account mara akuchi ara account we gbare bazie. Nna biko nudo. Which of my data did I use up to? That I may never go inside. Can see man in Nigeria. I don't allow ke kake. Care is not allow ke. Can see. And I am going one some data is about to finish. I try to live that finish. I want to be coming. I am back. Network want to be disconnected, but I am back. I'm load do more credits. Nah. Somebody recharged my phone yesterday with 50,000 naira. I was sleeping. I woke up this morning and I saw 50,000 naira recharge card. I don't know the person. Maybe he's one of those people that have my number. And I'm so much happy. If I know the person, I would have. Though I will not show you the number, but I know the person. Sorry, I don't know the person. Matter be weird. Until 50,000 naira recharge card. So, Mazoro Madi 10 tickets. Madi 10. I'll buy ticket for them. For MCA1 homecoming. Ewululu si Chinazam. You know the reason why Chinazam will be attended that event because on Azam for my wife. You know I love my wife so much, so and anybody in Azam for my wife will also benefit from me. Because I'm a very good cameraman, though. I'm a very good cameraman. When I get no. At least all these adverts they just shoot in the money. They wear them camera, wear all the gadgets, but I cannot be using my iPhone. They shoot in the money or you know, I'm gonna more professional. More professional. I will pay you good. If you are idle and you know how to edit, you can say editing. My phone number is 09024911001. 09024911001. You must base in Lagos. Yes. You must live in Lagos. If you are around Agor, Festac, Alaba, Ojo, Mainland, Ikeja, you must base in Lagos. Achara moye de fa. Name travel, you join me. Onye kpọọ m ọrụ outside. Ngwe na ị agbara m ticket, gbara my PA ticket. Ị ga-agbara m ticket, gbara my PA. Ngwe na ọ ga-agbara m my ticket, gbara my PA ticket. So, I need a professional cameraman, not camera woman. I'm married, please. Everyone, name editing, name camera. Don't chat me. Don't come. I don't want a scandal. Don't want marriage scandal. I'm very, very much careful these days. Even everyone be careful, I'm very careful. Somebody will take everyone back home. Someone that say for the Pagam. Send that my wife. Na Jpac, the guy is romancing somebody. You know, nobody had a boom okay. So it's actually the why do okay. I maintain my wife. More come through my wife or to home. I may pursue. I may look for her. She no look for me. You know, actually, me on them tough time. So I valued her. Everyone no call me 09024911001. I need a camera man. I will be paying that. Even if you are not reporting to my house every day, no problem. As long as na way concept I get shoot. Once I call you, make sure you report at that particular time. I'm gonna get report. At the end of the month, I will pay you. Not just that, I'll be giving you you know, I'm getting stinginess. I don't know stingy. If I have money, not 1,000, so you concentrate on that work. You must be a professional editor. Professional editor. Because anybody who be editor will likewise know how to handle camera. So if you have the two knowledge, a cameraman and also an editor, good for you. I have 7th gen laptop. I have what it don't come with anything, just baraka bia. You understand me? Lagos preferably. You know, Oga Jike, because agent Chuguyogu, though literally drag him, or maybe somebody pay you to drag me. Remember, now when he had in common, which I will not be coming to social media. Now I say, I'm still on live video. Don't call me now until I'm through with my life. Because you know, go please. Then I on the phone now. Who now was now? Oh. Onye jekwana n'ikpu nwa ọgaranya. Aka ntị dị n'ikpu nwa ọgaranya. Onye jekwana n'ikpu nwa ọgaranya. Wee 2 by 2 na ọ dị n'ikpu nwa ọgaranya. Aka ntị dị n'ikpu nwa ọgaranya. Ana onye ya koko. Onye jekwene o. Ejekwena n'ikpu nwa ọgaranya. Aka ntị dị n'ikpu nwa ọgaranya do. God bless you for those that are dragging me. Ejere m Abuja end of the year party ndị Akurolo. Nah. But the person na Jpac. Nah, I started following you, man. I drag you. You're a very nice man. At least if I leave more than 5 companies, even the popular ICC construction company. Since Jpac, give me your number. I want you to run business for me. I saw you when they are dragging you. I pick interest. I know you're a good man. So, Kara when they energy picture where drag him. Jpac, I want to. Jpac, a boomer. Jpac, a bunga. Jpac, a idiot. Jpac, a bunga. Anyway, belly face back. Belly face front. Belly face right. Belly face, belly face, belly face, America. Belly face, belly face China. Belly face South Africa. Belly face Egypt. Belly face ever. God bless you, you know. Honestly, actually, he paid me, but my best after said, nah, I'm out there, a promo. Unpaid promo. Onye je kwene do.